Good morning, children. Today we will revise Unit 3 Patterns. What is pattern? A pattern is an arrangement of lines or shapes, especially a design, in which the same shape is repeated at regular intervals. So, what is pattern? A pattern is an arrangement of lines or shapes, especially a design, in which the same shape is repeated at regular intervals. Here you can see first one is square and second one is rectangle and third one is triangle. Again square, rectangle, triangle. Again square, rectangle, triangle. Is it clear? So triangle, triangle, square, rectangle, triangle. There are two types of patterns. One is repeating pattern, the other one is growing pattern. So what is repeating pattern? Patterns that repeat themselves over and over again according to a certain rule are called repeating patterns. Here you can see circle, triangle, circle, triangle, again circle and triangle. The same two shapes are repeating over and over. So this type of patterns are called repeating patterns. Here two heart shapes and star shape, again two heart shape and star shape. So the next one will be two heart shape and star shape because this one is a repeating pattern. Is it clear? Next one, growing patterns. Growing pattern is nothing but that increase according to a certain rule are called growing pattern. So it will increase in numbers. Here one square, one triangle, next one square, two triangles. So triangles are increasing. Next one square and three triangle. So the remaining will be one square and four triangle because this one is growing pattern. So growing pattern is nothing but that increase according to a certain rule. Next one is kaleidoscope. A kaleidoscope consists of a tube containing mirrors and pieces of colored glasses or paper whose reflection produce changing patterns when the tube is rotated. So what is kaleidoscope? It is a mirror containing pieces of glasses and papers. When you rotate, you will get different patterns and shapes. Next, we will do some exercise problems. So first one is fill in the shapes. First shape is pentagon and triangle and square. Again pentagon, triangle, square. So this one is called repeating pattern. So what will be the answer? So again pentagon, triangle and square. Okay, is it clear? The next one. Here first two triangles are given and then two squares. Again three triangles are given, three squares. So the patterns are increasing. So what will be the answer? 2, 3. So the next will be 4 triangles and 4 squares because this one is a growing pattern. Next move on to spirograph. What is spirograph? Spirograph is a mathematical toy which can be used for drawing patterns. So you can use this spirograph to draw a different patterns. Here you can see different patterns drawn using spirograph. Next we move on to patterns in numbers. To check a given number is a multiple of 9 or not, we use the following method. What is that method? Yes, casting out nines. You can use this method to check whether the given number is a multiple of 9 or not. How will you check? So any number or combination of digits in that number which add to 9 can be cast out from the given number. Then the sum of remaining digits of the number is divisible by 9 or multiple of 9. So you have to do three steps. First step, you have to cast out 9 and the combination of number which add to 9. Second, you have to add the digits, and then finally you will get either a multiple of 9 or any other number. So you can check whether it is divisible by 9 or not. Using the same method, we can check addition and subtraction, multiplication and division. So first we will check number is a multiple of 9 or not. Let's see one example. Cast out 9s from a given number to check if it is a multiple of 9. So we are going to use casting out 9 method. So check the following numbers whether it is a multiple of 9 or not. So what is the first number? 24,689. So what is the first step? You have to cast out the numbers 9. So I am cancelling 9, and then you have to add the remaining digits. So adding 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8. So you will get 20. Is it a multiple of 9? Yes, it is not a multiple of 9 because 20 does not divided by 9. 20 cannot be divided by 9. So it is not a multiple of 9. Next, move on to the next example. 9108. So first step, you have to cast out 9 and then the combination of numbers which add to 9. So first I am cancelling 9, and then 8 plus 1 is again 9. So I am cancelling 8 and 1. So what is the remaining digit? 0. So it is a multiple of 9. Next one, 3165. Here 6 plus 3 you will get 9. So I am cancelling 3 and 6, adding the remaining terms. 1 plus 5 I will get 6, but it is not a multiple of 9 because 6 cannot be divided by 9. So it is not a multiple of 9. Next, we can check addition by using casting out 9 method. Here what is the question? 3356 plus 4729 will give 8085. So you have to check whether this addition is correct or not by using casting out 9 method. So what is the first step? You have to cast out 9 and the combination of numbers which add to 9. So I am cancelling 3 and 6 because 6 plus 3 you will get 9. Here 9 I am cancelling, and 7 plus 2 I will get 9. So cancelling 7 and 2. Here no numbers are there, so I leave it. Second step, you have to add the remaining digits. So I am adding 5 plus 3 8 and 4. Here 8 plus 8 16, 16 plus 5 21. So again I am adding 8 plus 4 12. Here 21. Again adding the digits. 1 plus 2 I will get 3. Here 2 plus 1 I will get 3. So both the sides I am getting 3. So the addition is correct. Is it clear? Same way you can find out the subtraction. So the numbers are 4897 minus 2186 will get 2711. So you have to check whether the subtraction is correct or not by using casting out 9 method. So first step, you have to cancel the 9 and then the combination which add to 9. So here 1 plus 8 will give 9. So I am cancelling 1 and 8, and this side 7 plus 2 will get 9. So I am cancelling 2 and 7. So I am adding the remaining terms. 1 plus 1 I will get 2. Here 2 plus 6 I will get 8. Here 4 plus 8 12. 12 plus 7 19. So 19. So 19 minus 8 So I'm going to add the numbers again. So 1 plus 9, I'll get 10 minus 8. So 10 minus 8, yes, 2. So I'm getting 2 here, also 2 here. So the subtraction fact is correct. Is it clear? So you have to check whether you are getting the same answer on both the sides. So by using the same method, you can check the multiplication and as well as division. So I'm first checking multiplication. So the multiplicand value is 327 and multiplier 42. Product is 13,734. So I'm going to check whether this multiplication is correct or not. So first step, you have to cast out 9 and the combination of numbers which add to 9. So here no 9 is there. So I'm going to cancel 2 and 7 because 2 plus 7 I will get 9. So the remaining 3 into multiply, adding the terms 4 plus 2 I'll get 6. So here the problem is multiplication, so multiplication symbol 3 into 6. So 6 threes are 18. So I'm going to add the numbers. So 1 plus 8 I'll get 9. So this side product, here no 9 and no combination of 9. So I'm going to add all the digits. So 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 7 11, 11 plus 3 14, 14 plus 4 18. So I'll get 18. So I'm going to add the digits. So 1 plus 8 I'll get 9. So both the sides I'm getting same answer. So the multiplication is correct. Is it clear? So one more example. Here I did the same problem in two ways. In the multiplicand, I am having 312. In the multiplier, 36. And the product, 11,232. Here, no 9 terms, but I am getting 6 plus 3 as 9. So, if I cancel 6 and 3, I'll get 0. Either I can write 0 or 6 plus 3 as 9. Is it clear? Either I can write 0 because 0 is a multiple of 9. 9 is also a multiple of 9. 9 is also is equal to, if I divide 9 by 9, I'll get the remainder as 0. Because of that only I am writing 0, or you can write 9 itself. So here no 9 terms. So 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 2 6, and multiplication problem. So multiplication symbol 6 into 0 I'll get 0. And this product side 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 1 9. So again I am getting 9. 9 can be written as 0 because when I divide 9 by 9, I'll get the remainder as 0. So I'm getting 0 equal to 0. This one is also correct. Or you can write 9 itself and then multiply 6 into 9. You will get 54. Here 9. 54, you can add these two numbers. 5 plus 4, I'll get 9. So 9 equal to 9. This one is also correct. Either you can use 0 for instead of 9, or you can write 9 itself. Is it clear? Next, division problem. Using casting out 9 method, you can check whether the division is correct or not. Same method, same procedure. So first step, you have to cast out 9 and the combination of 9. So here no combination of 9 and no number 9. So I am adding the digits. 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 5, 12. And division symbol, and then 1 plus 5, 6, equal to 35. So 3 plus 5, I'll get 8. So here division problem, so division symbol. So divide 12 by 6, I'll get, either you can use division or you can follow the multiplication method itself, because dividend is equal to divisor into quotient. So I am multiplying the quotient with divisor. So 12 equal to 8 into this number 6, and following the multiplication procedure, same method. So 12, 6 8s are 48. I'm adding the digits. I'll get 8 plus 4 as 12, and then again adding the digits. So 1 plus 2 will be 3. Here 1 plus 2 will be 3. So I'm getting the same answer. I'm repeating once again. You can do the division. You can do the division problem in a same way like multiplication, because division is nothing more than the reverse of multiplication. So dividend is equal to divisor into quotient. So 5 plus 2 plus 5, I'll get 12. Here 1 plus 5, I'll get 6, and 3 plus 5 8. Dividend is nothing but divisor into quotient. So divisor is 6 and quotient will be 8. So here I'm writing 12 and multiplying quotient and divisor. So 8 into 6, 48, and then adding the digits, I'll get 12. Again adding the digits. So 1 plus 2, I'll get 3. Here 1 plus 2, I'll get 3. So same answer. So the division is correct. Next we will do some exercise problems. First one, fill in the blanks. What is the first number? 90, and then 180, and then 270. This is nothing but multiple of 9s. So first one is 9, and then 18, and then 27. So 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, and 1 0. So 360. And 9 fives are 45, and 1 0, 450. And then 9 6 are 54. So is it clear? This one is a multiple of 9s. 9 with zeros. So 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, and 54 with 1 zeros. Is it clear? Next one. First letter is Z, and in next one A and Y and B. Watch clearly. Here Z, and then in between A and then Y. So A, B, here reverse term Z and Y. So one part is decreasing from Z to A, and the other part is A to Z. The numbers are product of 9s in the reverse order. 10 nines are 90, 9 nines are 81, 9 eights are 72, 9 sevens are 63. So the next one will be 9 6 are 54, and 9 fives are 45, and 9 fours are 36. So numbers are in the reverse order, and Z third term will be Y. This one is also in reverse. So Z, Y, and the third term will be X, and then again the third term will be W. Z, Y, X, W. The in between terms in the usual order. So A, B, and then C. So is it clear? One is in reverse order, the other one is in usual order. Move on to next problem. Complete the following sequence. You have to complete the sequence. First, understand the sequence. 9 into triple 1 you will get triple 9. 9 into triple 2 you will get 1998. 9 into triple 3 you will get 2997. You can see here triple 9 and then 1. Here it is like 0, then 1 and 2. So the next one will be 3 and the next one will be 4 and the next one will be 5, because this type of pattern. Here two nines and then finally 8. Here increasing sequence, finally last terms are decreasing sequence, and the middle two terms are same in all the four items. So here increasing sequence, last terms are decreasing, middle terms are same. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The last ones are 8, 7, here 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. So the middle terms are same, double 9, double 9, double 9. So I'll get the answer as 3996. The next pattern will be 3 now 4, middle terms double 9. So here 6, so decreasing 5. And then the last one will be first term increasing, last term decreasing, middle terms are same. So 4, after that I'll get 5, double 9 and then 5, 4. Is it clear? Go through the video carefully. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. Thank you students, and do the assignment problem.